Welcome to Stova.
Did want to also highlight one tool that's very helpful for our exhibitors, which is going to be lead retrieval. This can be linked directly in that portal. They would be able to download the devices, access their leads live in that portal, as well as link over to our full lead retrieval portal where they can manage all of that lead retrieval process. I can come in here and see all my different leads, and this is just an example of what that app looks like. It would allow me to connect it to the right event, as well as see my leads live on the device, scan a new lead using that QR code in the middle there, and manage all of my different lead information, meaning notes, questions, is it a hot or cold lead? I can send different content if I want to as a part of this. It's all available as part of that lead retrieval portal and can be set up by the different exhibitors. Then they get into the platform and see the actual lead retrieval device here and can start actioning those things like scanning a lead, as you see on my screen right now. I just simply hover over that and do the QR code scan, or we can do NFC depending on what you're looking for and what you're looking for as far as that on-site experience. Once I've scanned that lead, I can then flag it how I want, whether it's a hot, warm, or cold lead, add my notes, and then I will be able to fill out surveys as well. Now, those surveys can be customized per exhibitor to include different bits of information to help better qualify that lead and capture the right information that is associated with that organization. So depending on what type of product or division or however they want to kind of segment that, they can not only add text-based leads, but have those pre-baked or pre-built questions to make sure that people are answering in a consistent way so that those leads can be funneled in the right way for the organizations. So this is a very flexible option that the exhibitors get to customize, and each exhibiting company can have their own set of questions as well as content associated with it. Here's an example of what that portal looks like, where I can see those live leads, see all the information about the devices that are being used, which devices are scanning, what companies are coming in, all of that beautiful information in color-coded formats here, as well as the raw lead data that can be exported from the platform. So all of that information is provided very easily to the exhibitors and brings them great value associated with the event.